Well, I got the door cracked right now. Y'all see the weather we having over here in VA? My daughter just told me the you said a tornado warning? Watch, and not warning, watch, y'all. Trying to show y'all without lightning striking or whatever. I gotta hurry up. But y'all see this? Let me get a little closer for y'all. See this? Yeah. They're trying to take the door from me. Look at y'all. Wow. I told y'all we can't cook out around here this weekend, honey. Or today. Got that rain coming in. Wind blowing strong. Well, I feel sorry for whoever stuck out here in this mess. I gotta close the door, y'all. They're trying to take the storm door from my hand. Y'all, look at this. Hope Lena's safe and sound wherever she is. Child. So y'all a little extra footage. I know it probably got a little dampness to my camera, y'all. Excuse me a minute here. I'll wipe my camera off. See some of my pictures on the wall. This picture over there, y'all, is of the ladies shopping at the mall. That looked like a Louisiana picture right there with the lady holding on to the umbrella. That looked like Bourbon Street, don't it, y'all? I think that's a Bourbon Street, Louisiana, New Orleans picture right there. I love me some fine art, honey. Okay. That's my husband's plaque right there. That's my hubby's plaque, and look at all the love he got. See how much love my baby gets? Everybody love my hubby. Yes, where he used to work. No joke. He ain't leave, they ain't leave a darn space down there. Every space is filled up, y'all. Look at that. Wow. That's when you're well known, you're well loved. Okay, now y'all see this picture better. Because I had to wipe my screen off. The camera. I'm alright, baby. I don't ate enough. I need to move around right now. That's Barack Obama over there in the corner. That's Brother Barack. That's my certificate over there. What's the name of this bridge, baby, in New York? Is that the Jordan Bridge right here on the wall?
It might be Queensbridge. I know.
Well, where is it at then? Y'all might know this bridge, honey. Frisco. I don't know, y'all. Golden Gate Bridge. Yeah, that's the way. Where is that at? San Francisco. Golden Bridge in San Francisco, y'all. Golden Gate. Nice picture. I can't remember where I got the picture from. Had it for a good little while. Can't remember where I got it from. And it's a picture of the ladies moving around in the mall shopping. The girls shopping. Ain't it cute? Had this picture for a while too. Had this picture longer than I had this picture. And there's that bad weather out there. Y'all see that? Y'all might even hear the thunder roaring. My hubby's father. My hubby's mother. All right, y'all. Gotta go. I always like the picture. It always looked so peaceful to me. I had this for a long time too. The one in the mall, this picture here, and the one with the ladies in the beauty shop. I had all three of them pictures. I bought all three of those pictures at the same time. Good little while ago. Bam, bam, and they're eating, y'all. And I gotta go. I gotta finish myself. All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye for now.